demo on how to get fonts on the screen, and you'll find it's pretty easy. Put a lot of effort into having robust font support, because that's generally something that's kind of tricky and annoying when doing video game work. I'm just going to show you how to load a TrueType font for now. We do support a few other font formats, but TrueType is ubiquitous and everywhere, so let's just use that one. And you know, where I got my font, I just went into my Windows, you know, into my Windows fonts folder and grabbed the Arial font and dropped it somewhere I could access it, and that was it. You can find these fonts, you know, online. There's lots of fun ones out there, but you know, without further ado, here's how you do. You just click the fonts icon. You click the upload button. We're going to do a TrueType font. It also supports bitmap fonts. We'll save that for another video. All you really do is you set the font size, so 32 pixels, and you upload the font you want to use. And we'll use some Arial. And what this is going to do is it's going to take this TrueType font, which is, you know, vectorized. It's going to render it at 32 pixels into a bitmap so we can use it in our game. So if you wanted a different size font, you would have to upload a new font at a different size, as opposed to like scaling it in the game, because that just does not turn out very nice if you try to do that. Okay, so we'll import it. It takes a second. You get a nice little bitmap of the font. The only thing you really need on here is this name, because that's how we're going to access it. And then now we can add text to our project. And the way we do that is we just create a text box. We give it a name, like we do for all our other entities in the Retro Studio. We tell it what font to use, which is Arial, which we just loaded. We tell it where we want on the screen. We give it a color. And, you know, what do we want it to say? And that is it. Super easy. Oops. You know, we can move it around. You'll notice there are some other. There's a lot of functions on this text box. You know, such as, you know, rotation and scale functions. They don't actually work. They don't have any meaning in the text box. We just don't know how to hide them in our IntelliSense. So really, the only thing interesting you would want to do is, you know, update the text, or maybe change the font. I don't know. Oops, probably makes sense to change this to something new, but, you know, like that. You know, that's it. Pretty easy. We'll do another demo with maybe some more fun fonts next time, but we got a few bugs we got to work out, and that has priority. There you go.